Hello everyone, my name is Teresa Voto, and during the next few minutes, I will present to you a project for the class Itnw-2264-002 Practicum Computer System. For my class project, I have created a network for a fictitious company with two branches. One branch located in Mesa, Arizona, and the other branch is located in Jacksonville, Florida. The following are the materials I have used for this project. I have used a Cisco Packet Tracer software, a PuTTY software, and I also use Ubuntu 17 with Apache 2.0 acting as a web server. I have also used two Cisco Catalyst 3560 switch hardware and two Cisco 1721 router, Netgear access point, and two laptops. The first step is to determine what is the business requirements. The requirements is to connect the Mesa, Arizona branch to the Jacksonville, Florida using a private circuit and no VPN connectivity required. The business requirements are create three VLANs, VLAN 3, VLAN 4, and VLAN 24. Allow all computers and laptops in Arizona to connect to the web server in Florida. Enable a Class A IP address in Arizona. Enable a DHCP for all devices and VLANs in Arizona. Use a Class C IP address in Florida. Based on the business requirement, the first step is map logically the company network using the Cisco software called Packet Tracer. These are the hardware that I have used for this project. Starting from the left, Arizona laptop, wireless access point, the router and switch in Arizona office, the router and switch and Florida office, and the last one, laptop on the right side is acting as a sales web server. Okay, after configuring all the devices, now it's time to make sure that everything works by showing our VLAN first. Typing the show VLAN command. See if we can ping them. Oh. And as you can see, I have my VLAN 3 followed by VLAN 4, and I also have my wireless connection, which is the VLAN 24. The second thing we are going to do is we can see if we can obtain a local IP network. by using the command prompt and typing the ipconfig. Ipconfig. And as you could see, we have our IPv4 address 10.0.3.52. And we also have our default gateway 10.0.0.3.1. And the third thing we're going to verify, we want to make sure if we have connectivity with our default gateway by pinging on the command prompt using 10.0.0.3.1. And yes, it says it's telnetting. And the other one we were gonna ping is the Jacksonville router using the IP address 5.5.5.6. Yes, it's still netting as well. And the last thing we are going to verify, we're still in the network from Arizona. We're gonna ping our server with the IP address 192.168.0.100. See if it's our server is connected as well from Arizona. Yes. So as you can see, we can ping our server and it's working. The last thing I want to show you is we're going to go to the Internet Explorer and type in on the URL using the IP address 192.168.0.100. And yes, everything our works is working.